Let's do this. I know this is just a commute this morning, but I'm looking forward to this. This has been my first real ride for over a week and a half. I mean, I made a couple trips up to the grocery store, but you know, being on vacation, I didn't have the bike. But it was worth it. Me and my wife went to Mexico. We went to Aquamal and Quintana Roo for a whole week. It was amazing. Had a great time. You guys probably saw the video that I put up the other day of me swimming with sea turtles. That was out near our resort we stayed at. I had a fantastic time. The weather was perfect every day, about 89 degrees. Went on a couple tours. We went and saw the Mayan ruins at Tulum. We swam in an underwater cave that was only discovered like 3 years ago, so that was pretty neat. Really cold water to swim in, but it was really cool. I'll have videos for that stuff coming out shortly. So you may have noticed, you may be able to see right here, but I got a new coil cover for the old Sport Glide. About a month or two after I bought the H.E.I.D. coil cover that I had, I saw that Harley released this one, and this one just looks way better. Here's some footage here of me wrenching it on and the final result and what it looks like at a better angle. But I love it, man. It looks great. Way better than the H.E.I.D. one. So if you guys are interested in my H.E.I.D. coil cover, it is for sale. I'm thinking like 35 bucks shipped. Just leave me a comment below and let me know if you're interested in it, and we'll work all that out, getting that out to you. So there's an event going on June 9th I wanted to let you guys know about. It's a charity fundraiser ride for the H.E.I.D.I Foundation. It's put on by Unhinged MC out of Carlinville. Unhinged MC is a group of bikers, firefighters, and police and firefighter supporters that decided to start an MC and do a lot of charity work and rides and all that stuff. I did a video last year of the ride. You can go up here at this card and check that out if you guys want. But they got the event going on again this year, and of course I'm going to be going, and I got lots of friends going. I'm trying to get the same people that went last year and then some. But that is again Sunday, June 9th. And it starts in Carlinville at Willie's 109. There's a flyer right here of all the event information if you guys are interested. And I'll put a link in the description below for Unhinged MC's Facebook page so you can find out more information if you got the Facebook. And just another reminder to you guys, there are still some spots available for the campsite at the Midwest Moto meetup this September 13th through 16th. Go to the link in the description below on Grady Ritt's website, and then you could get RSVP'd for a guaranteed site at the campsite. It's very important if you're coming from out of town that you reserve a spot, because the nearest hotel is probably 35 minutes away from the site. So we want to make sure that if you're coming out of town or from out of town that you got a spot, a cabin spot at the Midwest Moto meetup. And this is going to be a great time. Been talking to a lot of guys on the old texter machine about some ideas that we're going to do. Nothing finalized yet that I'm going to share, but I know that we're going to do a live stream again soon. And I've got one more sponsor that I'm going to try to lock down this week. That way that we've got all our sponsors lined up, and I've already been receiving you know, merchandise and stuff that the sponsors have been sending to help out for the event. I've got stuff from Deadbeat Customs, I got stuff from GetFandom.com, and I've also have stuff given to me from tap performance that you've seen in a previous video. So, other bike news. I did buy an air cleaner finally for this bike. I don't plan on putting it on until probably the beginning of next riding season. But I did buy it. I went with the Arlen Ness Big Sucker.
That's what she said.
This is a reputable air cleaner with lots of history behind it and lots of good praises. Always great reviews. And I know it's not going to be any different for the Sport Glide. I think it's going to do really well. And after hearing that Arlen Ness passed away not too long ago, I thought it'd be a cool idea if I bought something in his memory for my bike. So I can't wait to put that on, but of course, you know, when I put the air cleaner on, I got to tune my bike. And I'm really scared about doing that now because I really don't want the Harley tuner. I would much rather get the Power Vision or the FP3. But I know if I put either one of those two onto this bike, it's going to void my warranty right away. I talked to the dealership over the weekend. I went over there when I bought the coil cover, and I talked to the guys there, and they're like, yep, they're like filling up every loophole with that warranty as far as aftermarket tuners. So you have to buy the Screaming Eagle tuner in order to keep your warranty intact. And I don't really want to do that because it doesn't have the features of the FP3 and the DynoJet Power Vision. So one of those two is going to be my goal for next riding season. So putting on the air cleaner, putting that on. I'm happy with the tap performance sound for now, so I'm not going to reach any further with performance until then. And I think as far as doing stuff to the bike, I mean, for now, I'm good. I think the only thing that may be in the works for any time soon are maybe new aftermarket gas caps, because this one is still rattling a little bit. So I want to see about getting one. I might get one that's got a fuel gauge on it. That would be pretty neat. But I want to make sure whatever I get, it can match the decorative piece over here. Because of course, this doesn't really do nothing but look pretty. I'd rather go where them geese are going than to work. I know I'm going to have a pile of work on my desk. My emails are going to be flooded. But you know what? It was worth it. Vacation was totally worth it. What's up, Dad? Getting away, you know, from reality for a little while, always a good thing. Now I'm ready to get back to work and start hitting it hard, man. I know I'm going to have like I said, a whole lot of work waiting for me, but, you know, it makes the day go by fast. And that's what I like. I like keeping busy, doing my thing. So I won't be surprised with what I get when I get into the office. So as part of a giveaway, I'm going to give away 2 full-color Cancun chips that look just like this. All you have to do is comment below, "Take it sleazy," and you will be entered in to win a full-color Cancun, Mexico Harley-Davidson poker chip. Well, guys, that's all I got for today's video. Thanks for joining me in this commute vlog. Look forward to some more Mexico footage than you've seen with the sea turtles. That'll be coming soon. I'm going to start editing those videos shortly. That way you can see the resort and some of the other stuff that we did. Had a fun time, so enjoy those videos. Please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps out the channel a ton. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about today's topic. And I'll see you in the next video. You take it sleazy. What is this? Somebody rode their scooter to work. Park right next to him. Awesome.